Welcome to my video of me showing love to my golden Land Cruiser. I hope you'll enjoy it. What am I saying? So today with a quick and unique video about the lower arms. It is for those of you who are considering replacing your lower arms on your 100cc Land Cruiser. I'll show you the difference between a almost 23 years old lower arm compared to a brand new OEM one in terms of edge wear and tear. So yeah, let's get to it. So before I get my hands dirty, let's start with the brand new OEM lower arm. It comes with one bush pre-installed, and the other bush of course is in the frame or the chassis. Mine is absolutely destroyed and I will show you how it looks like in a minute. So the most interesting detail about the brand new OEM lower arm is how stiff the ball joint is. This one is super stiff and I can't even move it with just my fingers. Now let's look at the factory almost 23 years old lower arm. Here's the bush. You can see start to separate from this side. As for the other side, there's this pock. You can also see a separation. As for the ball joint, the worst part about the lower arm, see how loose the ball joint is. It's ridiculous, and the boot already ripped a long time ago and almost all the grease has escaped. So here's the other lower arm bush which sits in the chassis or the frame. It is absolutely shot. And here's a view from the front. So there it is. I hope this video is useful for those of you who are looking to service your lower arm and trying to make the right decision. So yeah, thanks for watching. Keep your Land Cruisers happy and don't forget to cherish yourself. Bye.